Unlocking Hollywood Glamour. Understanding star-studded cast. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the sparkling world of cinema and the phrase that lights up movie posters: star-studded cast. This phrase is not just about the stars in the sky but about the stars that grace our movie screens. Let's unfold the meaning behind this glamorous term and understand how it's used in everyday English. A star-studded cast refers to a movie, play, or other performance featuring many famous actors. The word star-studded is a metaphor where stars represent highly acclaimed actors, and studded suggests these celebrities are like shining jewels carefully placed in the project. It's as if the cast is sprinkled with the brilliance of numerous stars, making the project highly anticipated and often a must-watch. The term has its roots in the glamorous world of Hollywood, where having multiple high-profile actors in one production is a recipe for success. It's commonly used in movie reviews, promotional materials, and entertainment news. When you hear star-studded, think of a film, event, or lineup so impressive that it sparkles with fame and talent. 1. The award ceremony was a star-studded event, with celebrities from all over the industry in attendance. 2. She was thrilled to attend the premiere of the star-studded movie, eagerly waiting to see her favorite actors on the big screen. 3. The director's latest project is rumored to have a star-studded cast, including several Oscar winners. Understanding phrases like star-studded cast enriches your English vocabulary, particularly in conversations about cinema and the arts. It's a term that conveys not just the presence of famous individuals, but also the high quality and the lavish nature of a production. Knowing such phrases adds depth to your language skills and enhances your cultural awareness. And that's a wrap on our journey through the glittering phrase, star-studded cast. Next time you come across this term, you'll not only recognize it but also understand the allure and prestige it adds to any production. We hope you enjoyed this linguistic stroll down the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Keep shining bright with your English learning.